Top e-commerce mistakes hurting your product sales. Poor website design. Your website is the first impression customers have of your business, so a poor design can turn them away. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and mobile friendly. Lack of product information. Customers need detailed product information to make informed purchasing decisions. Include high-quality product images, descriptions, specifications, and reviews to help customers understand what they are buying. Slow website speed. Slow loading pages can lead to frustration and abandonment. Make sure your website is optimized for speed by compressing images, using a content delivery network, and minimizing plugins. Inadequate search functionality. Customers may become frustrated if they can't find what they're looking for on your website. Make sure your search functionality is easy to use and provides relevant results. Complex checkout process. A complicated checkout process can cause customers to abandon their carts. Simplify the process by reducing the number of steps, providing clear instructions, and offering guest checkout.